Ladies and gentlemen, imagine driving down an American highway in the early 1940s when something so unbelievable appears in front of you that you slam on the brakes. At first, it looks like someone is hauling away a gigantic fallen tree. But as you get closer, something doesn't make sense. There are windows cut into the bark, a chimney rises from the roof, then a wooden door slowly opens, and a family walks out smiling. No, you're not dreaming. What you're looking at is a fully functional camper built inside a giant redwood tree. And the story becomes even more unbelievable when you learn one incredible fact. This wasn't just any tree. By the time it was transformed into a camper in 1942, it had already been alive for nearly 980 years. Think about that for a moment. While medieval castles were being built across Europe, while the Crusades were taking place, while the first universities were opening their doors, this enormous redwood was quietly growing in the forests of California. Centuries passed, empires rose and collapsed, wars came and went, generations were born and disappeared. The tree simply kept growing. Then someone had an idea so outrageous that most people thought it was impossible. Instead of cutting the tree into lumber, why not turn part of it into a house on wheels? Today, it sounds like something from a fantasy movie. But in the middle of the 20th century, that impossible idea became reality. To understand why anyone would attempt such a bizarre project, we have to travel back to a very different America. Long before giant theme parks and social media attractions existed, Americans loved the open road. Families packed their cars every summer, exploring thousands of miles of highways in search of something they had never seen before. Every town tried to build the biggest, strangest, or most unforgettable roadside attraction possible. Giant dinosaurs, oversized coffee pots, enormous statues, mystery houses, and unusual museums competed for travelers' attention. But nothing compared to California's legendary redwood forests. These trees weren't simply large. They were almost impossible to comprehend. Coast redwoods are among the tallest living organisms on Earth, capable of reaching heights of more than 350 feet or over 107 meters. Some survive for more than 2,000 years, making them older than entire civilizations. Visitors traveled from all over the country just to stand beside them. Many could hardly believe such trees actually existed. Entrepreneurs quickly realized that these giants could attract enormous crowds. Roads were carved through living trunks so cars could drive through them. Gift shops sold slices of redwood showing hundreds of annual growth rings. Every new attraction tried to make visitors feel even smaller beside these incredible natural wonders. Then one visionary decided simply looking at a giant tree wasn't enough. What if people could actually live inside one? Finding the right tree was only the beginning. The selected redwood section measured several feet across and weighed many tons before any work began. Hollowing it out was an engineering challenge unlike anything builders had attempted before. Too much wood removed, and the trunk could collapse. Too little, and there wouldn't be enough room for anyone to step inside. The craftsmen worked carefully, preserving the rugged bark on the outside while transforming the interior into usable living space. Every cut had to respect the tree's natural shape, because unlike ordinary campers, there were no straight walls or square corners. Everything would have to fit inside a giant wooden cylinder that nature had created nearly 1,000 years earlier. Even after the inside had been carved out, another enormous challenge remained. How do you move an ancient tree weighing thousands of pounds across America? The answer required an exceptionally strong trailer built specifically for the project. Heavy-duty steel framing, reinforced axles, and a suspension capable of carrying extraordinary weight turned the giant log into something that could actually travel on public roads. And once the finishing touches were complete, one of the most unbelievable campers ever created was finally ready to meet the world. The moment the Redwood Log Camper hit the road, it became impossible to ignore. Drivers slowed down. Some stopped completely. People pointed, laughed, and reached for their cameras. From a distance, it looked like someone was hauling a massive fallen tree across the highway. But then they noticed the windows, the door, the tiny chimney. And suddenly everyone realized they were looking at something the world had never seen before. It wasn't just another camper. It was an ancient redwood tree that had been transformed into a home. The surprise didn't end outside. Visitors who stepped through the small doorway expected to find little more than an empty hollow log. Instead, they discovered a cozy interior carefully built around the tree's natural shape. Every shelf, bench, and cabinet followed the curved wooden walls. Nothing was perfectly straight, and that was exactly what made it unforgettable. Imagine sitting inside a tree that had already been growing for centuries before Christopher Columbus crossed the Atlantic. A tree that had survived storms, wildfires, and changing civilizations before becoming one of America's most unusual campers. Few vehicles in history can tell a story like that. As the years passed, the Redwood Log Camper became one of the country's most famous traveling attractions. It appeared at fairs, exhibitions, and special events, drawing crowds everywhere it went. Children couldn't believe it was real, while adults wondered how anyone had managed to move something so enormous down American highways. Its popularity lasted because there was simply nothing else like it. Many famous roadside attractions eventually disappeared as highways changed and tourism evolved. Giant statues were torn down, museums closed, and countless landmarks were forgotten. Somehow the Redwood Log Camper survived. That survival wasn't accidental. Generation after generation of owners understood they weren't preserving an ordinary trailer. They were protecting a one-of-a-kind piece of history. The trailer required constant maintenance, while the ancient wood had to be carefully protected from weather and age. Without that dedication, this incredible camper might have been lost forever. Today, recreating such a project would be almost impossible. California's ancient redwoods are now protected, and rightly so. Trees that have stood for hundreds or even thousands of years are considered priceless natural treasures. A camper like this belongs to another time, an era when bold ideas mattered more than practicality. And maybe that's the real reason people still talk about it. The Redwood Log Camper isn't remembered because it was luxurious or fast. It didn't have air conditioning, slide-outs, or modern technology. It became legendary because it proved that imagination has no limits. Someone looked at a giant fallen tree and saw not a piece of lumber, but an adventure waiting to happen. More than 80 years later, that adventure continues to inspire everyone lucky enough to see it. The 1942 Redwood Log Camper remains one of the rarest, strangest, and most memorable campers ever built. A rolling reminder that sometimes the greatest journeys begin with the craziest ideas. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell us in the comments, would you spend a night inside a camper carved from a 980-year-old redwood tree? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.